Ready. But can you turn more? Alright, cool.
Yo, this is Kurt Douglas, otherwise known as Quengis, and on Twitter known as @KMDoug_. Boom.
This is Hakeem Marcus Bryan, aka Uncle, aka Keemy, aka the creator, aka the genius, aka the writing wizard, aka the Lego career boss. I hate. Man.
He's not my friend. I do not associate with his Lego career. What that?
Yo, and you want to become Prime Minister, then I better you answer that one there. Answer the question. Tell the people them what is Lego career.
Alright, first, better just start with what everybody know, which is the hashtag Lego Career 2016. This is a social initiative. We're trying to showcase the achievement and the talent of the youth, and we're trying to put it out to the wider public. We're trying to create a digital marketing company, trying to bring across the talent of youth to the wider public. So we like market for artists, upcoming persons, whether it's visual art, performing art, you name it, we can get it out there for you. Just link us, man. You know where to find us.
We're going to do much more than even that, because we are the content creation, ad development, app creation, everything. Everything. We say do it and then, we say Lego career, you know, we say brand is strong, the art is strong, you know, we say everything with dash real road, we say carry for lead down in the ground, you know. We say in the streets like Bomba, White Line, you know. We say walk and shoot them with the talent and the career of the Jamaican youth, you know. We say everything is prosperous, 2016 do it and done. Yo, the best thing about the hashtag though is that even the government and members of the private sectors reach out to us and say, yo, good initiative, keep on doing what you're doing. And that support is not only for us, no, it's for the entire youths in Jamaica, not even the one that participate in the hashtag, but everybody else that is out there and doing it, you know. So when we take that feedback and just come, so we're throwing it out there, because we never do it by ourselves, we do it with honor. So let's do it and done, you know.
Keemy said, you know, do it and done, so you have to do it and done. You can find us at Lego Career JA on Twitter and Instagram. And yo, watch out for this bigger forward. I hate man.
The talent is strong, the art is strong, the brand is strong. Lego Career 2016.
2016 and beyond.
I hate man, do it and done. Alright.
True.
There you go. Thank you.